Hey, let's code it. What HCPCS code do we use to report 2 leg straps for a wheelchair? So where are we going to start in our HCPCS book? Well, in this case, I think let's start over in the index under the term wheelchair. Now, unfortunately, with wheelchairs, they give you a lot of different code ranges, and there's not a super great way to find some of the different components and accessories. You'll see here when we look at component or accessory, it gives us the ranges K0001 through K0195, which is likely where we'll find something like straps. When we look under just wheelchair accessories, there's a whole lot of different ranges of codes that we could use. But component or accessory here, it kind of says the K001 through K0195. So let's check over through there. And unfortunately, what we have to do here, and it's harder to read this on the ebook if you'll see, is just scroll through until we find the straps. I honestly wish I could tell you that there was a much easier way to narrow it down, short of using search. So if we're using this method, here we can find when we get to K0038, it says leg strap each, and we have different types of styles here, H style, but this just says leg straps, which is all that we have for the one that we're selecting. So K0038. Now let's actually see what happens if we just go ahead and search for something like leg strap. Let's see, leg strap. When we search for leg strap, remember we're looking specifically for a wheelchair one. So leg strap. It doesn't really say when we search for a wheelchair, but it could help narrow us down because you can see here under durable medical equipment, DME, it has the leg straps listed. So that might be a better way, is to just maybe search it, and it will tell us here that this is for wheelchairs. So both will lead you to the same code, but I feel like the search was probably a little bit faster.